This was my second attempt at making some incredible cronuts with a zesty lemon glaze that are seriously delicious. And this is how I made them. In a stand mixer, combine 245 grams of milk, 11 grams of yeast and 45 grams of sugar. Mix it for a few minutes and then leave it to proof for 5. Then add 500 grams of flour and mix on a low speed until it starts coming together. Then throw in 10 grams of salt and 80 grams of butter. Keep mixing it on a low speed for 12 minutes until the dough is silky smooth. Next, degas the dough gently, roll it into a ball, tucking the edges underneath to form a balloon structure. And then let it rest in a bowl at room temperature for 1 hour. After 1 hour, press out the gas. Then fold the top half in, and then the bottom half, and flatten. Then fold the left and right side onto each other, and then flatten. And then once more, fold the top half and bottom half in, and then flatten the dough seam side down. Wrap it in cling film, pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes, then let it rest in the fridge overnight to build that deep buttery flavour. The next day, crush and then roll the dough to a 72 by 22 centimetre rectangle. Then spread 105 grams of butter evenly across it. I only had a spoon and a knife, but if you're a professional, you should be using a palette knife and probably not watching this video. Once flat and evenly spread, fold it letter style, also known in French as tourne simple. Then freeze it for 15 minutes and then in the fridge for 20. Now, this will be done 3 times in total, and we've already done it once. Roll it out again 72 by 22 centimeters with the pin parallel to the crease. The key point here is to keep the dough as cold as possible every time before taking it out and rolling it again. This will keep the butter semi-solid, and that's exactly what we want. Otherwise, it soaks into the dough and weakens it, so when you roll it out, it will start to fall apart, which makes a panicky mess. So it can't all be done in one go because the butter becomes liquid in way less time than it would take to fold and roll 3 times. So that's why we refrigerate each time. We're going to repeat this one more time, same size, same fold, same freezer and fridge timing. Now after we've done this 3 times, we want to roll the dough, but this time to 43 by 21 by 1.25 centimeters. With your final slab of dough, cut out 9 centimeter circles with a 3 centimeter hole in the center to shape your cronuts. Let them proof for about 90 minutes until they puff up to 3.5 centimeters high, then freeze them for 10 minutes to firm up. In the meantime, for the glaze, mix 120 grams of icing sugar with 40 grams of lemon juice. Now heat up your oil to 175 degrees Celsius. Make sure it's not crazy hot or you'll end up crisping up your outer layers and you're going to have a crunchy cronut. Fry the cronuts for about 30 seconds to 1 minute on either side until they're lightly golden. And then whilst they're still hot, brush on that lemon glaze generously, hitting them twice or in my case 3 times since we're not using the filling. Personally, I prefer cronuts without the filling. And there you have it, decadent cronuts with buttery, flaky layers that melt in your mouth and a lemon glaze that adds a bright, refreshing, sweet, contrasting sharpness. If you make these or need any assistance, reach out in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a like and a subscribe, and until the next video, I'll see you in the next one.